Sanbanani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with uPhetheni, Benoneli and uThulisile. They are wrapping school books. Guys, it's about that time of the year. Back to school, back to reality. So they are wrapping, I guess, uWenzeni and uThemba school books because they're the only children in the house. UNeli's like, yabona lento, oh, ingikhumbuza ekhaya, hayi phela ngangikwazi nje ukhava nje amabhuku. Kodwa phela sasingakhavi ngama-colors anje. We used to use ama-covers brown. uThulisile is like, hey, and plus. So they're busy laughing there, making small conversations, and then uNomfundo comes in. Nomfundo comes in and she's like, ladies, and then uNeli is like, yebo sis Nomfundo. And then uNomfundo is like, yo, akakhathazekanga uboy bakithi. Hey bo, uPhetheni is like, indaba icathulo zakhe azimlinganini. And then uNomfundo is like, hey, icathulo ziyamlingana, konke nje ku-right, futhi zimlingana kahle. Into emstressayo kakhulu yi-timetable. He's busy saying ukuthi akayi-understand, angazi ukuthi hey, i-timetable iyamstressa nje mina namangazi. Then uWenzeni comes in. uWenzeni kodwa ngamtshela nje uThemba ukuthi insuku angeke zifane. Isimple lento. Asithi namhlanje is Monday, uday 1 angithi. He will match the books to his timetable. So uThemba intamela yenze nje, he needs to just ukuthi abheke i-timetable bese athathe incwadi or amabhuku azowasebenzisa ngalelo langa. Hayi ukuthi athathe amabhuku wonke esikolweni. Then Nomfundo is like, oh, usho ukuthi hayi ukuthi athwale incwadi every day asindwe yincwadi. uWenzeni is like, cha sis Nomfundo, angithi ngiyachaza nje na uThemba mela athathe amabhuku yazini sis Nomfundo, let me just go upstairs ngiyomchazela nje uThemba ukuthi what he needs to do. And then everyone laughs as uWenzeni just storms off. uThulisile is like, yazi oh, mina nje the only important day kumina yi-payday. uNeli is like, hayi oh nami nje like ezinye nje hayi anginamsebenzi ngazo. Then uNomfundo looks at uPhetheni, she's like, ngiyabonga ngokuthenga i-stationery and everything else. uPhetheni is like, yeah, akho nkinga, ayikho inkinga. uNomfundo is like, hey, now that yabona these things are sorted, now nami I can focus on izinto engizenzayo endlini. Ngine-guest nje enginayo, so now at least I can focus and relax now that is stationary and everything is set. And then uPhetheni says, okay, but you can see ukuthi like it's awkward between them. Abajwayelanga to have such peace amongst them. uPhetheni just says, mhlampe mele sambe siyo-check-a ingane. Then Nomfundo says, yes, icebo elihle lelo. Then they go upstairs, I guess, going to check ingane. Next scene, we see uPhetheni, benoSamke, the besties, guys, new besties or reunited besties, base restaurant. So Samke is like, hi bo, waphuthelwa ePhetheni, indlela bengijabule ngayo Phetheni, bengijabulile. Ayibona bengijabulile when uWenzo brought me a gift. So uWenzo, guys, uPhetheni, she sent uWenzo with a gift for uSamke, and the gift was a makeup bag. So uSamke, I guess she's thanking uPhetheni for that. She goes on to say ukuthi ngiyabonga ukuthi ungicabange. Remember guys, uPhetheni is still feeling guilty of the fact that she's the one owamoshela uSamke umshado wakhe. So she's feeling guilty because she thinks uSamke doesn't know that. So I guess she's overcompensating by doing these things. But anyway, uPhetheni goes on to say, yeah, ngiyazama nami ukuba umngane right. It's just that umuntu akakwazi, umuntu can't hide their problems with makeup. uSamke then says, hayibo, ukufihla nawe, hayibo, uhlangana kuphi? Phetheni wena, umuntu meke ebhekile, impilo yakho yinhle, like it's perfect. Futhi mina, if I were you, mina ngabe ngigcwele nje, I would be all over the social media pages. uPhetheni then says, yeah, khona kubukeka kanjalo, kodwa Samke, if I told you about inkinga zami nosizi nje engikulona, hey, you'd be shocked. usamkeza like how uthini manje uPhetheni says angazi ukuthi ngiqalephi usamkeza like qala ekuqaleni mnganami uPhetheni is like khona le ntombazana le engayiqasha to work in my house sagcina-ke singabangani abakhulu and then ngimholela kahle I didn't even treat her like isebenzi kanti ngizothi mina ngiyasebenza ngapha yena ugeli usebenza umyeni wami usamke shocked and then ulokhuzana uPhetheni is like yeah usamke is like ini uPhetheni says ukuthi akugcinanga-ke lapha umzalele nengane usamke is like hayi wena uPhetheni is like hayibo do you know ukuthi what's the most painful part ukuthi mina-ke fanele ngizame ukulokhuzana ukuzwana naye le ntombazane ngoba nakhu ingane ihlala nami ikhuliswa yimina so fanele ukuthi sizame sibambisane to raise the child usamke is like yo umthakathi-ke lowo how yongeke yinyoka uPhetheni is like yazi Samke I always notice ukuthi mengihamba in public people are staring at me I'm sure bayasho ukuthi nangu lo sisi was at the top of the ladder manje sekawile daqa phansi ugilwe yisebenzi ingakho-ke fanele ubonge Samke ukuthi impilo yakho i-private abantu abazazi indaba zakho it's not nice to be at the top and then that scene ends like that. I don't know, shame guys ukuthi uPhetheni lento isamhetha because she still seems fine because to me I would have said Aibo everything is going well but guys that thing is painful hey and I don't know if people really overcome it the fact that someone betrayed you like that like how do you trust people again around your husband or trust people when someone betrayed you like that Hayi next scene we see uVelephi benosibongile guys baphethe amabhayede bayokha amanzi they are going to fetch water so uVelephi zaphakamisa iy'nyawo Sibongile now uyabona ukuthi ilanga ukuthi lishisa kanjani yini like why are you so depressed today vele uSibongile shame she doesn't seem fine and I understand phela angithi yena benokwenzo they had their fight yesterday uSibongile is like angithi yila mabhakede anesicefe futhi hayi asiphumule nje Velephi ngikhathele mina she puts ibhakede down and she sits on top of ibhakede uVelephi is like hayi bo ayikho into esizoyiphumula la sukuma uSibongile is like na Velephi uVelephi is like hayi bo uyayibona i-distance do you see this distance that we still have to walk Sibongile asambe ayikho nje into ozoyiphumula lana ulokhuzana uSibongile zakuVelephi ukwenza uyahamba every time thina sithi siyajabula sibuyelene together uvele kuqhamuke something trying to break us up njalo nje uVelephi zathi Sibongile angithi yamazi ubaba ukuthi unjani mhlampe ngelinye ilanga uzoyamkela lento yenu kodwa okwamanje you just have to make peace with that uxole sisi uSibongile then says mina angisazi ngempela kanti yini le engakamele ngiyenze enzela ubaba accepts i-relationship yami nokwenzo uVelephi is like hayibo abazali banjalo-ke sisi nawe uyazi mhlampe-ke ukwenzo uzobuya yabo ngelinye ilanga yena uye wamtshela ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngalento speaking about did you tell ukwenzo how you feel about this she goes on to say ukuthi hayibo mfonele uke wamfonela mhlambe umqaphele phela vele like it wouldn't hurt to call him Sibongile akhipha ifoni-ke and she calls ukwenzo and then uSibongile when ukwenzo answers the phone she's like Themba lam sekunjalo vele uyahamba ngithi ukwenza is like ya sekunjalo bambo lwami kodwa-ke ngicela ukuthi ungakhathazeki ngizobuya Sibongile Sibongile is like uyangithembisa ukwenza is like ngiyakuthembisa Sibongile cela ukuthi sihlangane namhlanje later on kwambalenhle ngifuna ukuthi nje ngikusakaze nje ngaleya kiss leyana the one that makes you ukuthi ube dizzy that time uSibongile is busy blushing there on the phone ushisa ilanga uVelephi ukhamisile just staring at uSibongile trying to listen ukuthi bakhuluma ngani or what is ukwenzo saying One of them says ukuthi ngifuna nje lo kiss to be the one that will remind you of isithembiso sami. Then uSibongile says ngiyakuthanda Kwenzo, ngikuthanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke, futhi ngiyafisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga ngiyathemba nje ukuthi no one and anything will ever separate us. Ukwenzo says uthandwa yimi Sibongile ngenhliziyo yami yonke, asihlangane later-ke. Then uSibongile zakulungile, ngizobona-ke later, ngizobona later. And then she hangs up. Usibongile hangs up, to hang up, she kisses the phone. Uvelaphi is like, hayi bo, and then wena utheni Ukwenzo? Uvelaphi just gets up, aqubuleke the bucket, ibhaget aliphethe, and she starts walking. And then she's like, hayi bo, uthini ngani Ukwenzo? Uvelaphi is like, hayi bo, uyaphi? Awushongo ukuthi like when ufuna ukuthatha ikhefu, ufuna ukuthatha ibreak. Usibongile is like, asambe Velaphi, like asambe emfuleni siyokha amanzi Velaphi. Uvelaphi is like, hey, yazabo Sibongile. At next scene, we see uNelly, guys, usekitchen kwaDlamini. She is sleeping on the counter. UMamV angene. UMamV is like, maye, hayi cha, vuka, ulaleleni wena. uNelly avuke, guys. She's like, sis Mavis, ayibo angilele. UMamV is like, oh, yini uyathandaza. Akusona-ke isikhathi sokuthandaza manje intombazane. Uthandaza ngesikhathi esirongo nje. She goes on to say ukuthi umashini kudala uqedile ngale. Lezi zinsuku vele like angikutholi kahle. uNelly is like, how sis Mavis ngokulana nje kancane. Kodwa nje benginganele bengizama ukucleana nje. UMamV is like, hayibo, ukuhlanza kade ukwenza ey'nsukwini. How do you explain that? uNelly is like, hayibo, yingoba angangidle ukudla that didn't sit quite well with me. Usis Mavis is like, oh, then ukunukelwa kabi i-perfume kaMkhize yona, like how do you explain that situation? uNelly is like, oh, uMkhize. Usis Mavis is like, hayibo wena, akukona ukudla wena nje. And then enzeka, like she makes a sign on the stomach ukuthi wena uzithwele. And then uNelly is like, hayi ngeke sis Mavis. Usis Mavis is like, hayibo, usho ukuthini ngeke? uNelly is like, sifike kanjani lapho? Mina nokukhulelwa. Hayibo. Usis Mavis is like, oh. uNelly is like, nini kuphi? Kathi hayibo Nelly, ungabuzi sis Mavis nini kuphi? That yaziwa wena uMkhize. MamV goes on to say ukuthi mina Nelly sengiphile isikhathi eside kakhulu Nelly, ukuthi ngingakwazi ukubona umuntu mekekhulelwe. Ukhulelwe wena? uNelly is like, hayibo. MamV says, ehena. MamV goes on to say ukuthi wena ukhulelwe, so kuzoba no baby la ngaphakathi kwakho. Then that scene ends, but you can see ukuthi uNelly, she is really concerned, guys. Next scene, we see uNomfundo ukwakhe. She's opening the door and uSamke is there. So uNomfundo opens the door. She's like, Samke ngena. Uyabona-ke, at this rate, mele umuve uhlale la eThekwini. uSamke is like, ngeke. uNomfundo is like, hlala phansi, ucela uhlale phansi. Then uSamke is like, le piece yaseqobo nje ngisayithanda kwamanje, ithebu nje linomsindo. And then uSamke says ngiyabonga, and she sits down. uNomfundo is like, kunjani kodwa sis? uSamke is like, ngiphilile. Hawu Nomfundo, wabuka ujabulile nje, kwenzenjani? uNomfundo is like, well, impilo yami ingconywana kakhulu than before. Then uSamke is like, hayi kwakuhle-ke. Kwathula kangaba undodana uphi? uNomfundo says, oh, ubaba wakhe angithi he's preparing because iy'kole ziyavula. uSamke is like, oh, so wena nobaba wakhe, what's happening there? uNomfundo is like, hayi ngeke. Ngivele la decide ukuthi ngishiye phansi. I'm back in the dating game manje. Nginomuntu engibonana naye and ngi-happy nje. Isizungu nje angisahlangene naso. Then they laugh kanjalo. uSamke is like, hey Nomfundo, spill the tea, ngichazele nami ukuthi wenzenjani. uNomfundo ahleke. She's like, no, uzochazela after I make you a cup of tea. So Nomfundo gets up to go to the kitchen to go and make a cup of tea. That time, uSamke gets up, guys. She looks around the house and she notices ukuthi kunendawo where uNomfundo hanged or put up pictures of uThemba, naye, benunjengai. So Samke goes and she sees a picture of uThemba and uNjengai. uSamke, she speaks to herself. She's like, oh, so lo msebenzi onenhlanhla. And I'm just like, but it didn't sound good. I'm just like, uSamke, what is she up to now, guys? Hi, next scene ka we see uSibongile uthwele amanzi ekhanda. Uvelephi ke, she's carrying the water in ngesandla. Yamazi guys, uvelephi cabanga. She'll never put ibhakede on top of her head. So they're carrying water. They're coming back from emfuleni. Uvelephi says, yazi uneimanga wena Sibongile. uSibongile is like, shesha phela velephi. Then that time when she's speaking, angithi bahambe emgaqweni, there's a car that's coming. Then uSibongile is like, hey, bayoze bashayise ke laba. Guys, as she's speaking like that, next thing the car stops, and then there's a whole lot of guys in that car. They come out and they start pulling uSibongile. Uvelephi, she's like, Sibongile, myekeni mfanana, myekeni. The guys are like, hey, wena ungayingeni lento. uSibongile, she's screaming, Velephi, vayani nina. Guys, bamhudule phansi, bambambe. They put uSibongile into the car and they drive off nje kanjalo. Uvelephi's left there screaming. She's trying to chase off after the car. She's crying, guys. Then she runs back home while she's crying. Aibo, guys. Next scene, uVuma is at home benoKhuzwayo. uKhuzwayo is busy packing impuphu laphayana. uVuma's like, hey, manje ke, sekangicina ke lona. Ungicina ngocingo, ufuna impuphu yakhe. Hey. Wangisiza ke Sibali. So uKhuzwayo is packing the thing, the impuphu. So uVuma's like, hey, ungisizile Sibali phela mengenza umsebenzi ongigobisayo ngivele ngigule ebusuku iqolo. He goes on to say ukuthi iminyaka phela ihambile. uKhuzwayo is like, wesibari sami awubheke nje, then adlalise isinga sakhe. It's like, awubheke nje iqolo liyanyakaza phela mina ngiyachatha Sibali. As he's busy saying that, ungena uVelephi, guys. Velephi comes running in the house crying. uVelephi said, bamthathile uSibongile. uVuma said, obani. uVelephi said, amadoda aphume. uKhuzwayo is like, yehlisa umoya Sukuza, yehlisa umoya. uVelephi is crying there, guys. She's like, besivele emfuleni bamthathile uSibongile. uKhuzwayo is like, bamthathe ngani? uVelephi is like, bahambe nemoto. uKhuzwayo is like, ngemoto. uVuma is like, imoto uyibonile ukuthi ishone kuphi leyo moto? uKhuzwayo is like, asambeni. uVuma is like, kuzofa umuntu ke namhlanje. And they all just run out, guys. Then next scene we see iveni likalokhuzana likavuma parked, or it's driving in that same road where uSibongile benoVelephi were walking. uVelephi says, kulana baba, ima lana. She's crying there, guys. There phansi kuyabonakala icathulo zabo. uVelephi benoSibongile's shoes, amabhakede. You can see the water spilled on the floor. So they jump out of the car, and then at the back of the van, uNokhuzana benoKhuzwayo, they decided to get a couple of men in the community. So the guys, they jump out of the van. Velephi is crying there. She's like, bukulana baba, bukulana. Bamthathe la uSibongile. Ngizamile ukuthi ngibajahe imoto kodwa ke as she saying kodwa, then some guy passes there. Guy ke ongathi uzidlulela ngendlela. uVuma's like, hey nomzane, awuyibonanga imoto ngalana egcwele abafana besilisa, ogcwele abantu besilisa nentombazane. Velephi bokulana ngithi. Then uNokhuzana, the guy, he thinks ahlikihla ikhanda and says no, like angibonanga leyo moto. uVelephi says, yebo baba, bokulana, ngizamile ukuthi ngiyigijimise leyo moto kodwa angizange ngize ngiyifite. Nazi ney'cathulo zethu, or nazi ney'cathulo zami la phansi. And then some guys were in a group, they're walking towards abovuma, like to find out ukuthi hayibo kwenzakalani lana. uVuma's like, yeah, naba uphumntanami. uVuma's assuming ukuthi this group of guys, ukuthi it's the guys who kidnapped uSibongile. The guys are like, hayibo asimazi. uVuma's like, nisho kuthini ukuthi animazi? Nishukuthini, at this point, the guys that Abovuma came with, they are surrounding these guys ngathi bafuna ubashaya or something like that. UVuma's busy saying, mithatha ingane yami lana, nashona nayo le, wevelephi, naba bayamphika velephi, bayamphika laba. UVelephi is like, cha baba, akusibona laba bamthathile. UVuma's like, akusibona. Those guys they're like nimzwile like siyegen, it's not us how. Ukhuza is like manje, yinto sizoyithini ke le, yinto ethwani ke le, sizothini, sizokwenza njani ke manje. Guys, then next thing, there kwaDlamini, we see uMavis benoThulisile, they confront uNelly and they like, listen Nelly, then ndaba we are putting it to rest namhlanje. They give a pregnancy test. UNokhuzana uNelly is like, hayibo mina I'm not pregnant, but inayo pregnancy test ke sisi, qala uyithathe so that ukuthi siyeke nje uqinana nawe over the one and the same thing. And then that scene ends like that. Then back to the scene yabovuma. So it's moments later. So uVuma's like, kanti bamenzeni ingane yami, bayenzeni ngempela ngoba sesibheke yonke indawo kanti uphi. Ukhuza is like, esibali yabona manje sokumele ukuthi sithandaze ukuthi umshanam lapha khona uphephile futhi sizomthola right engenalutho. UVuma's like, sibongile kodwa ngubani ongalimaza usibongile, ingane engakwazi nokulimaza ngisho impukane nje. Ukhuza is like, sizomthola sibali, sizomthola umshanami, like sizomthola namhlanje futhi. UVuma's like, abantu bala eXhosa kanti banjani, abantu abahleli bebheka iy'ndaba zabantu bazi yonke into, bazi indaba zabantu kodwa akho ngisho umuntu nje obone ukuthi ingane yami ishonephi. Ukhuza is like, sibali cela ukuthi ungithembe, sizomthola umshanami, ngithembe sibali sami. UVelephi is like, akho lutho baba, kusho ukuthi uVelephi is coming back as well. They were looking for uSibongile. She's like, akho lutho baba, akho muntu ombonile, akekho umuntu obone nemoto leyo abazi ukuthi ukuphi bonke baba. She goes on to say ukuthi, I also asked abantu or asked people that stay la ngasemfuleni bathi abambonanga. She goes on to say, sengiqala nokukhathazeka ukuthi khona into eseyenzekile kuSibongile. Ukhuza is like, hayi Velephi, akusona nje isikhathi sokulahla ithemba leli, mele sishintshe nje indlela esenza ngayo madoda. UVuma's like, sizoshintshani ke manje kanjani. Ukhuza is like, asitholeni ezinye iy'nsizwa, omama obaba basendaweni, ingane nje wonke umuntu. UVuma's like, asambeni. Then bangene emotweni ke, and then I guess they're going to fetch more people. Embalenhle guys, remember phela uKwenzo, he was supposed to meet up noSibongile. Uhleli laphayana uKwenzo, shame waiting for uSibongile. So the lady that's serving him, she brings amaplate, takeaways, and then uKwenzo says ngiyabonga. And then uSisi ke, she goes on to say, khona okunye engakusiza ngakho. UKwenzo's like, no cha, bengicela nje unginikeze 5 minutes nje, extra 5 minutes ngiyacela. Then uSisi ke, she goes on to say, hey, ngebhadi sivala early namhlanje kune-stock take. UKwenzo's like, okay, yo, kwakubi ke lokho. Yazi kubuhlungu kanjani ukuthi ufike ulinde umuntu but angafiki lowo muntu. Like, look how foolish am I looking here, ngize ngathenga nokudla. Ugirl goes on to say, ncede ngalokho. UKwenzo's like, yeah, ngiyathemba ukuthi ubaba wakhe ujabulile la ekhona ngoba uyitholile into bekayifuna sonke lesi sikhathi sehlukene mina nesithamba sami. Girl then says, sorry angizwanga. Then uKwenzo's like, into engizama uyisho ukuthi yonke into inesiqalo. As uKwenzo's trying to speak, uGirl's like, oh, excuse me, shame. uGirl like, she wants ufuna ukuvala, guys, she needs to close shop, and uKwenzo's here busy telling her stories, and then she walks off. uKwenzo continues speaking to himself. He's like, yonke into inesiqalo iphinde ibe nesiphelo. It's just sad ukuthi nje istory sami nesikaSibongile had ended before it even started. Usale kahle Sibongile. As God is my witness, akukho engingawenzanga. I tried my best, and then he gets up and he leaves and the episode ends like that. Kusho ukuthi guys, uKwayangwa maybe he is going to leave ePapa thinking ukuthi ulokhuzana uSibongile umghostile. Kanti uSibongile guys, I am even, who do you think? I'm thinking maybe induna yendawo who did this, because who else would do that? And the thing to see ukuthi this kidnap is targeted. If it was just nje abafana nje, why did they not take both uVelaphi and uSibongile bathatha uSibongile kuphela? So I think ukuthi induna of indawo. But anyway, guys, that's Pocket right there. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe, guys. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do also make sure you watch the ads. Please do not skip them. That is just your way of showing support towards this channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.